Alright, so we got out to the mine today. I'm once again running late again today, still dealing with the gout. But SLECA evidently got their trencher back, and they've already got the 167 kVA transformer mounted. It's right here behind me. They got a little work to do today, a little work to do tomorrow, and looks like we'll be ready to light off. So the final piece on my side is the grounding lugs. They are at the post office right now. I don't know if they're going to go out for delivery. We may try to go pick them up, or we may just wait till get them tomorrow if they bring them out for delivery. But we're definitely on our way, and we'll go ahead and cut on over to the video.